using our masking tape. So in order to have the line straight, I'm just measuring the area where I'll put the masking tape. It is just half centimeter on both the sides, and on the width it will be 1 centimeter. So on both the sides it will be half, and on the width side it will be 1 centimeter, and then I'll paste the masking tape. So once this is done, I'll be applying masking tape with along that line which I have drawn, so that it becomes straight, because sometimes we get slanted lines while drawing, just while pasting the masking tape. So it's better to draw the line and then paste it. Sure that you paste it properly. So it's done. So let's see what all brushes we'll be using here. The flat brush, and the another flat brush size 2, and this is the comb brush, and this is fan brush. So let's start. And of course the rigger brush, forgot to mention that. So let's start with painting. So this is brilliant blue and black and titanium white, and this is phthalo green. So these 4 colors I'll be using in this painting. So let's begin with the background, which is the permanent blue. It's very bright color. It gives a very nice texture to it. And I'm just adding my water to my brush and just applying the color, and I'm just filling the whole background area. You can see I've applied very little amount of water and the whole area I'll cover with this blue color. So make sure you don't leave the corners, otherwise that border effect will not come. Make sure that you cover all the areas, especially the corner areas, nicely, and blend the color so that the brush mark is not there. Once this is done, I'll be using black color for creating the landscape, the base. It's not coming out, just a second. So the black color, which I'll be using it for the land area. The color is not yet dried up, so it's okay. The color will mix and it will create a nice color to it. So I'm just blocking the lower area with black color. You can see little bluish texture is also coming, so it looks nice. So now let's begin with the tree trunk. So I'm using my shorter flat brush and just drawing the lines. It's not a straight line, it's the shape of a triangle, so pointed from top and below it is broad, so it's like a triangle shape. It's not exact triangle, but it's the shape is like that. Broader from below, and as we go up it becomes thinner. It's like this, just creating it. Now I'll use my rigger brush and black color and will be creating the leaf area, so the stems. So I'm just dragging it a little bit top. So this trunk is done, and then comes the stem area. So we'll start with smaller stems and then larger and larger. So this way we'll go. So all the stems will not be in the same direction. So if you'll create with same techniques and same directions, it will not look real. So I have done with different directions. Some are straight, some are slanting, some are diagonal. You can see different stems are coming out, and I'll not go till the ends. I'll leave some area blank. Now I'll use my comb brush and will create nice leafy structures. Start with first the lower area, that is the grasses, and I have just mixed the tallow green and white, and you can see how bright the colors are coming when you add bright to it. So just the grassy effect which comes from the fan brush, adding more of white and tallow green. and just see the nice colors which is reflecting. I'm just pressing the brush very lightly so that the hairs come out. If you press the brush very strongly, that texture will not come out. So you have to press the brush very lightly. Now I'm taking just the white color and creating a small circle. And with my little finger, and I'll just move it round just to create a hazy look of that moon. And after that, again I'll use my brush and create another small circle in between. So you can see how the effect is coming out with that shades all over. So I guess this painting is complete. So let's take out the masking tape and see how it looks. I would love to see these bookmarks in your projects. These are very easy paintings, but you can try it at home. So this is how it looks. So see you in my next pay lesson.